All right. We're live. Athletic Robots. All right. We are doing 2022 Mosaic football, 24 Cellos. And this is number 8. Number 8. Oh, yeah, Jeremy paid. So we do have some unpaid teams. So DJ LaBarco, Justin Thibodeau, Chris Stenzel, and Michael Raymond Wilson. We need your payments. So I'll go ahead and pin this video to the featured section. We're scheduled to go at 7, which is in 1 minute. We'll read the starting lineup and jump on in. These will get shipped out tomorrow. So hopefully everybody likes that. But I'll go ahead and read the starting lineup and then we'll address the unpaid teams. So Jeremy Thompson has the Vikings. Alex Jacquet has the Packers and Niners. Cole Gillette, Browns, Broncos, and Chiefs. Matthew Roberts, Colts and Rams. William Craig, Pats, Jets, Steelers, and Bucks. Stephen Carlson, Commanders. Michael Hollinger, Titans. Mel Tsukamoto, Seahawks. Jimmy Matheson, Giants. Trev Lapiraus, Saints. William Richardson, Dolphins. Trev Lapiraus, Chargers. Kevin Dubrovicki, Raiders. Rachel Maccabee, Jaguars. Aaron Rocca, Texans. Martin Moraniak, Lions. Todd Hightower, Cowboys. William Gamble, Bengals. Michael Rowe, Falcons. Alfred Swift, Cardinals. Jeffrey Myers, Ravens. That's the lineup. So we do have some unpaid teams, so let's address those. And we'll make them available. So the Eagles went for 20. The Bears went for 20. The Panthers went for 12. And the Bills went for 25. All right. So I'll go ahead and refresh the group page, make sure everybody has permissions. Jump on in the comments if you're interested in any of these available teams. How much money is that? 40, 55, 80 bucks. Be okay with all of them except the Panthers. I don't know. Should we just go ahead and... Huh?
So pretty much.
Should we go ahead and get started? Or wait a little bit? Let's give it a few minutes. Let's give it 3 minutes until 5 after-ish. So for those of you who are joining, we do have 4 unpaid teams. So let us know if you're interested in any of those and stuff. But otherwise, here in a few minutes, we'll go ahead and get started regardless.
Bears paid.
All right, the Bears are paid. Thank you, Bears. So that's going to be Chris Stenzel. Thank you very much. Couple of minutes yet. We do need payment for the Eagles, Panthers, and Bills. So if you're interested in any of those teams, jump into the comments and they can be yours. Otherwise, we'll start opening cards here in 2 minutes. So the Eagles is a repeat, and so is the Bills. So, should be fine. Maybe this guy's waiting for an invoice for free shipping, because he was in yesterday's.
And send him one.
Yeah, still be better than eating. This guy is Michael Raymond Wilson. Late parts 69. I don't see any messages. Alright, it is 5 after. So let's get cooking. The Eagles, Panthers, and Bills are unpaid. I'll go ahead and do one final refresh. And they are still unpaid. So if you're interested in those teams, jump into the comments. If we pull anything good, we'll keep them. And this won't take too long. 40 for Eagles, Panthers, and Bills. That sounds reasonable. Wait. Jason Leo's going to take the Eagles and Panthers. Okay, let's do Jason Leo's regular price. Eagles and Panthers. Thank you, Jason. So what's that? 20 and 15. 35, Jason Leo. Thank you very much. We'll ship that out to you. I'll take it out of TJ's allowance. So, Bill, would you still be interested in the Bills? Bill should be interested in the Bills. If not, that's fine. We'll definitely just take the Bills. But the only team remaining then would be the Bills. So I'll go ahead and get started on the first box.
So Panthers
and Eagles are for Jason Leo. Wizard. Hey, thank you, Jason. All right. So Eagles and Panthers. All right. Let's rock and roll. So the Bills are still unpaid. So they're available. If anyone's interested, jump into those comments. Otherwise, best of luck, kids. We're looking for those camo packs. I know that they have Genesis and honeycombs, but I'm not sure if they have razzle dazzle or not. Yes, they do. So, And of course the gold scripts. We're always on the hunt for the gold scripts. So best of luck, guys. We'll do 24 of these things. I'll do half, TJ will do half. And we'll upload it to YouTube. Alec Pierce, Andrew Booth Jr., Green Harold Landry, Pax, Joe Montana, Brandon Cooks, Matt Golden Corral. There you go, Panthers. Jason Leo on the board. Mosaic Chris Carter, Hall of Fame. Jason Leo's a group expert, and he's been on the group so long that I have his address in my spreadsheet. Unless you've moved or something crazy like that, definitely let me know. Kayvon Thibodeau, Malik Willis, Green Chris Oladukin, Panks, Cooper Kupp, Harold Landry, Tony Gonzalez. Silver, Trey Lance. Doing the Niners. You're tough sometimes. Malik Willis debut. Jeremy Ruckert, Kyler Gordon, Alec Pierce Mosaic, Nick Chubb Grind, Malik Willis Pank debut, Russell Wilson, Daniel Bellinger, Mac Jones Mosaic touchdown masters. Tristan Ebner, Jahan Dotson, Green Joe Montana, Pax, Jamar Chase, Alan Lazard, Aiden Hutchinson, there we go, Lions, Green Bang, Stiff Arm Henry, all right. First hit of the break, and we're only 4 cellos in. Yes, Jeremy, yes, you did. You got the Vikings. Just didn't mark it as paid yet. Hold on, let me... Alright, a thumbs up, Jeremy. Douglas Labarco wants the Bills. Oh, well, you're the one who won them. Did you pay for them on eBay? Let me see. Oh, they're paid, huh? Alright, thank you. You must be DJ. Thank you, DJ. How much did the Vikings? 27. I thought I sent that to him. I guess I did. Oh, internet was down for 30. It's all good. Thank you very much. Bill gets the shit video again. I'm sorry, Bill. I don't know. I really don't know what to say because it's fine on our end. So it's tough. I don't know. Could be your internet. Could be your device. Could be an app. I don't know. That's all good. Thank you very much for paying, though. Video's working good, Jason. Thank you very much. Trent McDuffie, David Bell. Brees Hall, grind. There you go, Jets. Pinks, Dan Marino, Jeffrey Simmons, Robbie Anderson. Silver, Jonathan Taylor. Go Colts. Jahan Dotson debut. Boye Mafe, Derek Stingley Jr., Fred Taylor Mosaic, James Robinson Grind. Pinks, James Cook debut. There you go, Douglas. Got you on the board. Peyton Manning, George Karlaftis, Super Bowl champ. Joe Mixon, Touchdown Masters Grind. Joe Mixon was highly touted when he first came to the Bengals, but he didn't have Joe Burrow. So, is he still on the Bengals? I think he is.
Yeah.
But it's like he's like wide receiver 3 at this point.
He's a starting running back.
Oh, he's the running back. I was thinking, wow, he must not be too good. Because he's the running back. Crack kills.
What happened?
Bill says, I've done multiple breaks here, and every time the video's shit. Well, I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Nothing you doing and try the things or have it look crappy until the YouTube video.
That could be Facebook's streaming service. I don't know. Garrett Wilson debut. Very rarely do we hear that, though. Just in case you wondered. Just every now and then. Evan Neal. Jalen Tolbert. Green Brian Burns. Lamar Jackson Panks. Rondell Moore. Malcolm Rodriguez. Debo, Thunderland Mosaic. Arnold Ebiketie, Tyrion Davis-Price, Derek Young, Grind, Pinks, Alvin Kamara, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Javante, Silver, Devin Lloyd, Go Jags. He was their second pick, right? Behind Trevon Walker?
I don't remember. I remember he started off the season really good, and then all of a sudden he just dropped out of nowhere.
Was he still playing, though?
I think so.
Desmond Ridder debut. Brian Cook, Keontae Ingram, Jonathan Allen Mosaic, Devontae Campbell Grind. Here we go, Bucks. Got you a Tom Brady Super Bowl MVP. Pat. Ray Lewis. Jelani Woods. Dalvin Cook. Thunderling. Grant. Looking at the same comment. At least you're honest, Bill. Thank you very much for your honesty. We appreciate you. If I could make it better for you, I would, that's for sure. Kenny Pickett, Isaiah Spiller, Devontae Parker, Grant, Pinks, Leonard Fournette, Jameis Winston, Chad Johnson. Breece Hall debut. Derek Stingley Jr., Kenny Pickett, Eli Manning Grind. Got some pinks. Matt Golden Corral debut. Mike Ditka, Carson Strong. Kyler, Thunderlane Mosaic. Munderlane Mosaic. Oh, so. 10 twist your hurts. One more pack for me. Don't forget to check back on our next break where we're doing Mosaic basketball. And we'll combine your shipping and stuff. Check back this following weekend too, this coming weekend. We'll have a pretty wide variety coming for you. Calvin Austin, Cade York, Green, George Kittle, Quandre Diggs, Pants, Tyreek, CeeDee Lamb. All right. That's it for me. Let's TJ step in and open the good ones. You got it. All right. Let's do it. Save us. All right, Jason. Your saving needs done. I resemble that. Pretty long and extended left there. Kenny Pickett debut. Matt Corral. Daniel Bellinger. Tony Romo Mosaic. Green Fletcher Cox. Pink Tom Brady. There you go, Pats. Kyler Murray. John Mechie. Green DeAndre Swift Bang. Garrett Wilson debut. Carson Strong. Jake Ferguson. Green Clinton Portis. Pink Fletcher Cox. Denzel Ward D-Hop. Brian Robinson, Lewis Seen, Green Darius Slay, Pink John Elway, Jerry Jeudy, Charlie Kolar, Hall of Fame Mean Joe Green Mosaic, Drake London debut,
Jermaine Johnson, Trey McBride, green Romeo Dobbs, pink Joey B, there you go Bengals, Quentin Nelson, Greg Dulcich, Mosaic Bang Deontay Johnson. All right, not much saving going on yet, but we're getting there. That's for sure.
Oh, this is decent cards.
True. Kayvon Thibodeau, Malik Willis, green Kyle Phillips, pink Hunter Renfrow, Harold Landry, Tony Gonzalez, silver Joel Bitonio, Malik Willis debut, Jeremy Ruckert, Kyler Gordon, Javonte Williams Mosaic, green Darius Leonard, pink Malik Willis debut. Oh, whoops. Wake up. Pink Russell Wilson, Tyler Beatty, Matthew Stafford Mosaic touchdown Masters. About to pull the Hurts honeycomb, so it's okay. That's true. That's where I saved the day. The Hurts honeycomb gold scripts. Razzle dazzle.
Yeah. .com.
Kenneth Walker debut. Kyle Hamilton, Fenarian Mathis, green Debo, pink Marquez Callaway, Kurt Warner, McCole Hardman. Anybody interested in the 20 NBA Mosaic Blasters? Those auctions are ending probably here in about a couple minutes. Go get in on that. Oh, we got a Scripps.
Yeah.
Jalen Naylor, Sam Howell. We'll go from the back. Green Thunder Lane Devontae Adams. Touchdown Masters Mac Jones. Pink Daxton Hill. Trayvon Diggs. Trey Lance. Green Derrick Henry. And the Scripps. Devin McCourty, Pats. There we go.
All right.
That's what I'm talking about. Mosaic Scripts, not numbered. But there be ink on that bad boy.
Couldn't have scripted that any better.
Not at all. Finally got some action out of these cellos. A lot more action coming. Josh Paschal, Kyle Phillips, green Michael Vick, pink Eric Dickerson, Barry Sanders, Tyler Boyd, silver Garrett Wilson. There we go, Jets.
That's spicy.
It's nice, it's nice. We got 3 cellos to go. Well, Lion's got a little something on the back of this one, too.
Those
Charlie Kolar, Bailey Zappi, green Desmond Ritter. There you go, Falcons. Pink Jonathan Allen, Corey Davis, J.K. Dobbins, and silver Aiden Hutchinson debut.
Ooh.
There we go. Why?
2 nice silvers in a row.
Yeah, that's nice. And now comes the razzle-dazzle Jalen Hurts. Got 2 to go. Sauce Gardner debut. Daxton Hill. Sauce Gardner. Go Jets. Mean Joe Green Mosaic. Green Derek Carr. Christian Watson pink debut. Go Pack. AJ Dillon and a Sauce Gardner green. What a cello.
That's spicy.
Aaron Rodgers green touchdown masters. Alright, it's time for that last pack magic. It's where that razzle-dazzle gold auto's hiding.
You can do it.
Greg Dulcich, John Mechie, green Devontae Adams, pink Jalen Hurts, James Washington, Christian McCaffrey. And that'll end it. All right, let's recap these hits. Base hits, we got Sauce Gardner, Kenny Pickett, and Kenny Pickett. You're close enough to a honeycomb, camo pink, honey. I mean, I get them confused all the time, to be honest.
It's a distant cousin.
Thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Jason.
All right, we got a green Brees Hall. Silver Garrett Wilson and Aiden Hutchinson debut. And the pinks, Christian Watson, Sauce Gardner, Joey B, Tom Brady again, and Aiden Hutchinson. And our hit of the break, Devin McCourty, Mosaic Scripts. Whoa. Darn, Bill couldn't see him. It should be visible on YouTube, most likely. I don't know. You're the only one that has these problems, so it has to be somewhere within your devices.
Or your connection.
Yeah, or internet, Wi-Fi, data, something. Sorry can't say anything, but there's nothing we can do. So we'll be back for the 20 Mosaic Blaster break in about an hour. We'll see ya.